So my package came the other day, and wait a minute. That's not Nature Incarnate. I guess it's still on the way shipping over, but yeah. I got it. Feather and Flame. Let's open it up. Excuse me for this then. Lo siento. Let me just along the cap. Oh dear. Do it carefully. Don't damage the box if you can. Oh. Oh. There we go. Put that away. Now, after all these years, what does the old expansion look like, I wonder? Oh, right off the start, they explain aspect cards and a few of these details. Presence check bonuses, which explains what Isolate is supposed to do. Some other details for how Isolate works, and what's that called? Destruction prevention. Very nice. King James the Seventh, son of King Charles II. Okay, thank you. Most people would be ecstatic over the over the unpacking of Nature Incarnate. I'm still waiting for mine to be shipped over, but while waiting, I got my hands on Serpent at long last. I say that, but I've heard that Serpent's playstyle is kind of boring because all you do is spam Elemental Aegis. However, in Nature Incarnate, there is supposedly an aspect that changes how Serpent fundamentally plays. Look at that snake. Look at the snake, it's so cute. Look at the snake, it's so cute. Oh, that is a weird growth track. Oh. Downpour. Very exciting. A lot of birds. It goes upwards to 9 innate. Oh no. Heart of the Wildfire. Very exciting. Very, very aggressive. Very exciting, but also kind of scary for people who aren't used to light. That's a lot of light. Ooh. Finder. Probably one of the most complex spirits ever. It's a very weird growth track, much weirder than Serpent. Serpent is just sneaking over here, but Finder's growth track is way worse, way scarier, since you're not really sure how to proceed. I don't know. I find that for most games, I tend to do bottom, middle, bottom. That way, bottom, middle, bottom. That way, I can go middle again in order to reach top here if I need to, or I could reach down here. I'm not sure. I find that I use the earth part more than the sun for some reason. I don't know, it's just me. The isolate part is more of my playstyle than otherwise, at least on the digital at least on the TTS version. I'm excited. Excited to play. Here are the aspect cards that the introduction here. this promotion rules explains the aspect cards. Very fun. Haven't seen all of them, I think. Only seen a few, which makes this exciting for me. I can open the plastic wrapping. Okay. Let's put these aside. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. We should put them out of the range of the fan. The horrible fan that's messing up my ability to arrange the lightweighted rubbish. Lots of very nice cards. Can't wait to play with a couple of them. Seems very nice. Immense, that's fun. Travel, I heard travel for river is extremely powerful, but that remains to be seen on how powerful it really is. Couple of nice aspect cards. I'm gonna keep them in my reliable box. This is where I keep my maps. This is where I keep everything else. This is where I keep everything else. Those two are compressed into this bin, but once Nature Incarnate comes, I don't think this is enough. I have to think of an alternative. But yeah, might as well show you my setup. Oh! Oh, just a nice, convenient bucket, keeping everything I have all in one place. But before that, let's get the things out, shall we? That's very nice. Very, very nice. It's for Scotland. Scotland forever! No, go away. Go away. Very beautiful scenario cards. A diversity of spirits. I can't wait to open it up and see everything myself. The rest is all cardboard to puff up the expansion, I see. Very compact expansion, very neat. It's not like Jagged Earth where you get new maps to play with. But that's fine. It's fine. It's cute as is. You now join them in that collection. There, Feather and Flame is just sitting up there. Very cute. Very nice and cute. You probably want to see more of my setup here, so I'm gonna remove these. Very nice. I've been playing with many minds for a while, so yeah. Oh, I can't believe I made it upside down. Oh, I'm a monster. I'm a monster. I think it was these. Let's rotate these over like a civilized person. That's a lot of spirit. I'll probably need another of these files if I can locate them somewhere. That's my map. These are my minor powers, just nicely packed in a deck. These are the tackle boxes I use in order to keep my tokens. This one's for the Han, energy, and elements. This is for presence, a bunch of these alternate tokens, as well as scenario markers. You can see over here, scenario markers. There's also a dice over here in case I need to, what's that called? In case I need to mark a specific defense value that I can't find easily here. So the dice is just to streamline the process. Sometimes I use the dice to keep track of the energy value for my spirits as well. If I what's the word I'm looking for? I can't remember. I can't remember. But yeah. And this tackle box is mainly for keeping the invader pieces. Those are towns. No, those are cities. Those are towns. those are explorers. These are for alternate adversaries like Habsburg, Fear Pool, Blight Pool, what's that called? Event trackers. Very compact, very straightforward. This expansion doesn't have any of these new tokens, thankfully, so it's not going to grow in size. Knowing this, I'm going to put them to a side. Don't need them for this session. I will need these for Nature Incarnate. I'll probably have to buy another tackle box or procure an alternative somewhere. These are the terror levels. Very nice. These are my adversaries. You can see here, I keep them in the original bundle if and where possible. Keep it nice and keep it nice and neat. I probably have to find an alternate way to keep all of these because I don't want them to be hurt. I also have to procure some what's that called? I also have to procure some what's the word I'm looking for? I have to procure some deck sleeves. Yes, card sleeves for the deck, so these cards don't get damaged. They look very nice. Let's do a small organization right now. If I can find these are for newer players. They are power progression cards and what's that called? Turn order explanations. That's not what I'm looking for. These are for the base pack of well, these are for the base pack of units that for spirits that came from the original pack. These are the minor powers. We didn't get any minor powers this expansion. These are the invaders cards. Jagged Earth. Should go with these. Dahan. These are fear cards. No, these are for aspects. Where did I put my aspect cards again? I can't recall where the aspect cards went. Is it here? With these? Or did I put them with the spirits themselves? Still healthy, blighted, fear cards. Actual fear cards, not these. I guess the aspects go directly with the spirits. Huh. In that case, this is the original. I'm going to open it up. River aspect. Yeah, it is with the pack there. So river, a new aspect for river, travel, goes right in there. Next I'm looking for lightning. Yes, just doing some organization. Some people like this, others I can't say for them. I can't speak for them, but I like organization. It feels weird because from what I've heard, the aspects don't really change the playstyle of shadows too much. They don't really affect the playstyle of shadows a lot, which is unusual but understandable. Here we go. Feather and Flame has been assimilated. Well, a part of Feather and Flame has been assimilated. The rest would be these. These are the power cards for the new spirits. I think there's 6 of them for Finder. Downpour. Serpent. Fire. And Fear cards. That's what I was looking for here. Fear cards look like these. And these fear cards look like these. Well, the color doesn't look too different, but that's fine. And that's fine. I'm okay with that. Beautiful. That's pretty much every part of the expansion absorbed, I think. Wait, no. I still have the power cards from the spirits, for the spirits. But in any case, adversary trackers should go together. Let's just pack them nicely for when I get another chance to play them in my leisure. I think in this case I'll open this up for a moment. One moment, I'm going to extract the plastic wrapper for the cards. Don't mind me. Let's put this back. Nice. Alright, Feather and Flame, Finder, Downpour, Serpent, and Wildfire gets its own package. I could mix the spirits together, yes, but I find that separating it like this makes it easier to track where everything is, which is nice. Like for example, I have the heart to play with Trickster. I could just look up Jagged Earth's expansion instead of compressing all of them into one fat deck and having to search through every single card to find the power card that I want. Not so fun. Because I'm keeping them in separate expansions. Major powers, minor power stack haven't exactly been modified much. Alright, let's keep this and call it a day. That looks nice. I should probably put the spirit I want to play with the most, so probably Wildfire at the forefront. That way I get to experiment with it later in the evening when I have the time after work. Let's put this away. Hang on. Tackle box in to maximize the amount of space used. Yes. Next would be another tackle box. A third. Move this out. Slide this forward. Push this in. Oof. Oh no. I've forgotten how this is ordered. It's fine, I'll arrange it later. I'll arrange it later. Maybe the Feather and Flame spirits were too thick, and now the previous arrangement can no longer work. It's my miserable That is my miserable lobby bag for the entire Spirit Island so far. It's due for an expansion. Oh, definitely. These spirits are the ones getting in the way. I'll need another of these files to keep the spirits. Until then, this has been a nice unboxing video. I'll see you around when Nature Incarnate comes, and maybe I'll record a game or two. I don't know. This setup that I have isn't very ideal for capturing the board, I guess. I could play it like this, sure, but it's awkward having the camera right next to my face. Alright, bye bye.